Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your social studies book and open your page number 30. Today we starting unit number 4, lessons and games. And today our topic is school. What is school? A school is an institution for educating children. Now we start reading. Yasir and Anam go to school. Now underline the word school. Yasir and Anam go to school. They go to school to learn many things. In the school, we have learned so many things. For example, they learn to read and write. We learn so many things in school, and also we write and improve our writing. Now also underline the word read and write. They learn about numbers. Now look at this picture. They learn about numbers. In maths, we can learn about numbers. Now also underline the word numbers, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. They learn about the world. In science, we learn about the world. Now you also underline this word world. On next picture, they learn to use computer. We also learn how to use computer. They learn to paint pictures and make things. In art period, you can learn about how to draw things and improve your drawing skills. Now look at next picture. They also play games and have a lot of fun at school. We can play a lot of games in PT period and in games period. So in the school, we learn to read and write. We learn about numbers. We learn about the world. We learn how to use computers. We learn about painting and how to make things. And we also play different games and have a lot of fun at school. Now look at here. We have 3 questions and I ask question to you. Why do you come to school? Why do you come to school? The answer is I come to school to read and write. What is your favorite activity in school? Now tell me your favorite activity in school. In school, we have different activities like reading, writing, learning, drawing and playing. Now tell me your favorite activity in school. Do any of the children in the pictures have a uniform like yours? No. So today your homework is read this page number 30, and look at page number 31. A part, name 4 things that you enjoy doing in school. In school, you enjoy so many things like reading, writing, playing. So you can write there. It's your homework. Put a circle around the things you learn at school. Okay, now you put a circle. Okay. For example, you can learn sums, and if you can learn sums in the schools, you can circle it. Okay, it's also your. Now look at C part. What are these? What are these? Now you write it, the name of these things here. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.